Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue right triangle ABC along with this perpendicular BD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this perpendicular BD is 3 units long, and moreover this angle ACB is being represented by X, whereas this angle BAC is 2 times X, and furthermore this angle is our 90 degrees angle. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this big blue right triangle ABC. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of 3 interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. And now let's focus on these 3 interior angles, X, 2X, and this 90 degrees angle. Let me go ahead and add those angles. So our angle X plus angle 2X plus 90 degrees angle must be equal to 180 degrees. So this is going to give us 3x plus 90 degrees is going to be equal to 180 degrees. And now I'm going to subtract 90 degrees from both sides. This is gone on the left hand side. So 3x turns out to be equal to 90 degrees. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 3 to isolate angle x, and here we can see 3 and 3 is gone. So therefore our angle x value turns out to be 30 degrees. So therefore this angle x has got to be our 30 degrees, and this angle is going to be 2 times x, means it's going to be our 60 degrees angle. And now we can see that this triangle ABC is our special 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since this is our 30 degrees angle, this is our 60 degrees, and this is our 90 degrees. Before we proceed any further, let me go over the basic concept review. And now let's focus on this special 30, 60, 90 triangle ABC. And now let's make an observation. We can see 30 degrees is our smallest angle, whereas this 90 degrees angle is our largest angle. So therefore we could see that the side opposite to this smallest angle is going to be our smallest leg, whereas the side opposite to this largest angle is going to be our longest leg, and this side is also called the hypotenuse. So therefore in such kind of special 30, 60, 90 triangle, the longest leg is always twice the smallest leg. In other words, if the smallest leg is 1, then the longest leg has got to be 2, and this third leg has got to be the square root of 3. And in general, if I label this smallest leg as lowercase a, then this longest leg is going to be 2 times a, and this third leg is going to be a times the square root of 3. And now let's focus on this triangle ABC. Since this is our smallest angle, so this is going to be our smallest leg, and this is going to be simply lowercase a, whereas this leg is going to be our longest leg, so this is going to be 2 times lowercase a, and this third leg has got to be a times the square root of 3. And now let's focus once again on this big blue right triangle ABC. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue triangle ABC, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And now we could see the base of this triangle is a times square root of 3, whereas the height of this triangle is lowercase a. So therefore this triangle ABC area is going to be a half times a times the square root of 3. And if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us a square times the square root of 3 divided by 2. So the area of the triangle ABC turns out to be a square times square root of 3 divided by 2. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now let's make an observation. Let's focus once again on this triangle ABC. And we could see that this side AC is the base of this blue triangle ABC, whereas this BD is the height of this triangle. And now we are going to apply this area of the triangle formula once again. So this is going to give us a half times our base is 2 times a times the height is 3. And here we can see 2 and 1 divided by 2 cancel each other out. So therefore this is going to give us 3 times a. So thus our triangle ABC area turns out to be 3 times a as well. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. And now we are going to compare these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And since both of them are the area of the triangle ABC, so therefore we are going to equate the right hand side as well. So therefore I could write a square times the square root of 3 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 3 times a. And now I'm going to remove this fraction by multiplying 2 on the left hand side, and I'm going to multiply 2 on the right hand side as well. So therefore this 2 and 2 is gone. So we got a square times the square root of 3 is going to be equal to 6 times a. And now I am going to divide both of these ones by lowercase a and make sure that lowercase a value is not equal to 0. So therefore we are ended up with a times square root of 3 is going to be equal to 6. And now we are going to divide both sides by square root of 3 to isolate lowercase a. And here we can see square root of 3 is gone. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be 6 divided by the square root of 3. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 6 divided by square root of 3. And now we are going to rationalize this denominator by multiplying by square root of 3 and dividing by square root of 3 at the very same time. And here we could see square root of 3 times square root of 3 is going to give us simply 3. So therefore lowercase a is going to be equal to 6 times square root of 3 divided by 3. So thus our lowercase a value finally turns out to be 2 times square root of 3. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this blue triangle ABC. And now let's focus on this equation 2. The triangle ABC area is going to be equal to 3 times a. And our lowercase a value is 2 times square root of 3. So I'm going to substitute that value 2 times square root of 3 over here. So therefore the area of this triangle ABC is going to be 3 times 2 times square root of 3. And if we multiply this thing, that is going to give us 6 times the square root of 3 square units, the area of this blue triangle ABC. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this blue triangle ABC turns out to be 6 times square root of 3 square units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 10.4 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.